What if nature's trash can become beautiful art? And better still, let's bring back homemade gifts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful pictures out of nothing but leaves. And hopefully remind you of the important people in your life. How many times have you enjoyed the crisp crunch of leaves when you walked over them? But what if before they fell, you picked them and pressed them and turned the ordinary into art? Now let me show you how I made it. But this picture comes with a special story for a really special person, so you might want to get out your tissues. Only kidding, it's a beautiful story and a happy one. You guys are already waiting? What is the most important thing in life? Well, I think for me it is choosing a life that is my own, where I am allowed and have time to be creative. Because making your own art is just so fulfilling. But I think it is also important to never forget who got you there. Never forget the important people in your life and never stop showing how much you appreciate all they have done for you. This might be a very different start to an art video, how I made something. But honestly, as much as I wanted to share it with you, this is for one special person in my life. My mother. The reason I am the way I am is because she made me realize that I can follow my dreams at such a very young age. This is for her. You have always taught me to follow my dreams, and that grades, even back then, were not important when it came to life. And I will be forever grateful for those lessons, as they have made me lead the most exciting life, where I got to follow my dreams and ended up living in paradise. Every leaf is a little miracle. It cleans our air, gives us shade, and feeds the soil when it falls. Nature wastes nothing. When we reuse and repurpose, we live in harmony with that same rhythm. What could you give a second life to today? We can't all change the world in a huge way, but we can leave our little corner better than we found it. Whether it is through kind acts or just being better humans, wasting less or being more aware of the things we do, the impact we have. So this is for you, because of your love for pigs, and also because having these hobbies was because of your encouragement of every single hobby I picked up, showing me that my creations mattered. So here it is, made with love and ready to hang on your wall, so you can always remember what a great job you did of guiding me through the early years, so that I am now the confident person I am today. And I know nothing is impossible if I just keep going. We're at the post office going to send it off
To who?
my mother.
She does like piggies.
Yes. Buying gifts for people, yes, is great, but making them is better. Especially making gifts for parents or people who have taken care of you, showing them that you put in the time, you put in your effort and your love, to show them how much you appreciated the time and effort they put in to make you the awesome human you are today. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Help me grow. And if you love creating things from nature, or you want to try making leaf art, then I have left you the perfect video to watch next.